Welcome to a FingerNailFixer video. In this video, let's unbox your Aerovex Whisper source capture machine. Have fun and enjoy your Whisper. I hope you love it as much as I love mine. You took your Aerovex Whisper out of the box. Now what do you do with it? You have your hose. It's nice and flexible, so you can get it right down in there when you're doing a pedicure. You can move it up into your breathing zone when you're doing a manicure, or you can move it down in there when you're doing your enhancement filing. You want to stick it into the box. Then you have the hood. This guy is nice and easy to clean. You can wash it with soap and water. You can spray your disinfectant on it, wipe it with your disinfectant wipes. However you choose to clean it, super handy. Slide him on the hose. Poof, he's ready to go. You have a cord so that you can plug it in. You want to find the end that goes into the box, not the end that goes into the wall. There's a hole for plugging it into the box. Slide it in there. And then you can plug it into the wall. It beeped, that's good news. Flip the little switch on the side to turn it on. And then you have a remote, which is really handy because we're probably gonna squish our Whisper into the little space between the wall and the table. Use your remote, hit the power. And that's gonna get your Whisper going. Ah, I love this sound. It means it's making the air clean in my breathing space. It's such a beautiful sound. You have several different settings on your Whisper. For fan speed, you can go from 0 to 100. And the different fan speeds mean you have different suctions. 50% is generally where I run mine at. I'm usually only doing removal of gel polish from my boost manicures, or I'm doing like a little bit of gel removal. So I generally don't have mine above 50%. I've seen online other users that use theirs at 70%. So just kind of play with it and see where you need yours to be. Let's crank this baby up so you can hear different levels of sound. There's 70%. The volume doesn't really go up a lot. There's 100. Still not really a lot. There's 30. Almost can't tell it's on. So there's unboxing and putting together our friend Whisper. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.